Hello student, today I am going to discuss horizontal range and velocity at any instant of a projectile. In the previous video already I have discussed equation of trajectory, time of flight and maximum height of a projectile. Now I will discuss horizontal range. What is horizontal range? The distance traveled by a projectile along the horizontal direction between the point of projection to the point on the ground where the projectile reaches again is called horizontal range. So there is the horizontal distance from point of projection O to the point on the ground when the projectile reaches or returns on the ground again. That is called horizontal range. It is denoted by R. You see the diagram. R represents the horizontal range of a projectile. To calculate the horizontal range, we have to take horizontal velocity and time taken by the projectile from point of projection to the point on the ground where the projectile reaches again. So horizontal range are equal to horizontal velocity into time of flight. You see the diagram. U is the initial velocity of the projectile. Initial velocity of the projectile U dissolve into two components. One is ux, that is along horizontal direction, that ux equal to u cos theta. Another one is vertical direction, along the vertical direction uy equal to u sin theta. So x, this is y. So we have horizontal velocity is ux, so ux, and time taken is that is called time of flight, which is denoted by capital letter T. Ux equal to u cos theta, and already we know the time of flight is twice u sin theta by g. U into u square, so 2 u square sin theta cos theta by z. So u square 2 sin theta cos theta we can write together. As you know, 2 sin a cos a equal to sin of 2a. So we can write u square, this is sin of 2 theta. So horizontal range denoted by R equal to this. So horizontal range R equal to u square sin of 2 theta by g. This is the expression for horizontal range. So the maximum horizontal range is the maximum horizontal range is R max equal to u square by g if sin of 2 theta equal to 1. If sin of 2 theta is equal to 1, then 1 equal to sin of 90 degrees, sin 90 degrees 1, so 2 theta equal to 90 degree, then theta equal to 45 degree. When the projectile is projected at angle 45 degree, then horizontal range is maximum. The maximum horizontal distance traveled by the projectile. So maximum horizontal range, that is R max equal to u square by g. Now I'll discuss velocity at any instant. Velocity at any instant. You see the diagram, Vx and Vy represent the horizontal and vertical components of velocity v at point q as shown in figure. The horizontal, the component velocity of projectile along the horizontal direction Bx equal to Ux plus Axt. Actually, we are discussing motion along horizontal. Here, Ux is u cos theta, Ax, when the body is moving horizontal direction, acceleration due to gravity is 0. Therefore, Vx equal to, we are taking component of velocity, this is Vx, this is Ux, sorry, component velocity Ux is u cos theta, so Ux is u cos theta, is 0 into t. So Vx equal to u cos theta. So component velocity of projectile along horizontal direction is u cos theta. Now the component of velocity of projectile along vertical direction is given by Vy equal to Ey plus Ayt. Here motion along vertical. Here Uy equal to, you know, u sin theta, Ay equal to minus g. Therefore, Vy equal to u sin theta minus gt. This is the component of velocity of the projectile along vertical direction at point Q. Therefore, resultant velocity v at point Q is given by v equal to, so we are following the equation, say triangle law of attribution, resultant velocity r equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta, that one we are following. So vx square vy square plus 2vx vy cos of 90 degree. In this case, you see a diagram, vx and vy both are perpendicular to each other. So cos 90 degree is 0 and vx equal to, you know, u cos theta and vy is u sin theta minus gt whole square. Now expand it, u square cos square theta, here u square sin square theta plus g square t square minus 2u gt sin of theta. U square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, u square common, g square t square minus 2u gt sin of theta. Cos square theta plus sin theta is 1, so u square plus g square t square minus twice u gt sin theta. This is the resultant velocity of the projectile at point Q. Now, if we calculate direction, the direction of velocity v is given by, you see the diagram, direction means tan alpha, this is alpha give the direction of the resultant velocity v. So direction is tan alpha vx by vy by this vy, this vx, vy by vx. So tan alpha vy by vx. Already we know vy is u sin theta minus gt and vx is u cos theta. This equation gives the direction of the velocity of projectile at any instant at point Q. Thank you.